Welcome to Auto Agentic. We're proud to introduce a new kind of AI, one that's purpose-built for automotive, powered by the most advanced technology, and guided by a deeply human approach. Auto Agentic is the most human AI company in the industry. We've combined decades of dealership experience with cutting-edge innovation in AI, software, and digital and data systems to create intelligent agents that work alongside your team, not in place of them. This isn't just another tech company stepping into automotive. Auto Agentic was built from the ground up on decades of real automotive experience, combined with a strong foundation in technology and advanced digital development. And we've paired that deep industry insight to create something truly special. What we're sharing with you today isn't just a product. It's a platform designed to solve real dealership problems in real time with intelligence that's grounded in how your business actually operates. And in a space where a lot of AI still feels generic or bolted on, Auto Agentic stands apart. But rather than talking about it, let's show you how our agentic AI system works. We've always known our strength lies in our people, their drive, their expertise, their passion. But what if we could give them something more? What if we could give them superpowers? Welcome to Agentic AI. This isn't just another chatbot, and it's definitely not generative AI with a few automotive terms sprinkled in. At Auto Agentic, we've built agentic AI from the ground up to serve the automotive industry. That means our AI agents don't just answer questions. They understand the rhythm of a dealership, the sales cycle, the service lane, the pressure, the pace, and what really sets us apart. We're LLM-agnostic. So instead of locking you into one large language model, we give our agents access to the best: OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, and more. We choose the right model for the right task, giving you smarter responses, faster results, and more flexibility. But we didn't stop there. We've equipped our agents with an entire tool belt, so they don't just talk, they do. They've got Perplexity for research, Mermaid to draw process diagrams, Interactive Canvas to collaborate visually, Render Chart to create graphs on the fly, and they've got calculators, CSV generators, and even custom reporting tools, so they can analyze data, summarize it, and communicate it perfectly every single time. This isn't just intelligence. It's intelligence with action behind it. While most generative AI in the automotive space is general purpose, ours is deeply trained in dealership operations. These aren't generic bots. These are AI agents who understand your world, who speak your language, anticipate your needs, and move at your speed. They know how to talk to a customer. They know what a trade-in is. They understand lease pull-ahead, CSI, warranty upsells, and how important every CRM note really is. Let me introduce you to your AI power team, trained exclusively for the automotive market and ready to join your team. Let's start with training. When your team needs product knowledge, Susan, our sales AI, can help. Ask her to create 15-minute product training modules for sales meetings with multiple choice tests, and she'll develop comprehensive materials that break down complex information into engaging, actionable lessons. Need financial clarity? Ben, our finance AI, excels at analysis. When you ask him to review financial reports and provide a summary with insights and recommendations, he'll examine your data to identify trends and opportunities for growth. Most dealerships don't have a full-time data analyst on staff, but with Zoe, now you do. Zoe is your AI-powered analyst, trained specifically for automotive and built to turn your data into real decisions. She can dive deep into monthly reports, service RO data, inventory optimization, sales performance, and everything in between. No more staring at spreadsheets or digging through disconnected dashboards. Zoe doesn't just summarize the numbers. She tells you what they mean. She uncovers insights that would otherwise stay hidden, like which vehicles are tying up your inventory turn, which customers are ready to buy based on life cycle or equity triggers, and where leads are slipping through the cracks. And Zoe goes beyond the basics. She can break down your marketing efforts and tell you what's actually working and what's not. She can identify which channels are driving showroom traffic and which ones are burning budget. Even more powerful, Zoe can connect the dots across departments. She can take a service report, a sales report, and a marketing summary, and show you how they're all affecting each other. She'll help you understand how service visits today are driving vehicle sales tomorrow. She'll show you how adjusting your recon time could improve front-end gross. And she'll surface strategies to boost retention, increase profitability, and improve performance, based on data your team doesn't even know is there. With Zoe, you're not just making better decisions, you're making smarter ones, faster. For HR support, Erin is your go-to expert. When you need a training program for new BDC staff, she'll create a structured program based on industry best practices and your dealership's specific needs. Marketing becomes more strategic with Alex. Ask him to analyze all of your customer reviews, all 10,000 of them, across multiple platforms, and determine what's working and what's not working based on actual customer feedback. And then you can use that information to create training modules that help your staff to improve. Jessie, our legal AI, helps protect your dealership. When you need to review terms and conditions for website legal compliance, she'll provide comprehensive guidance based on current regulations. Plus, she can assist by building contracts, manage complicated human resources issues, as well as compliance. Like most dealerships, you are likely facing a never-ending rotation of planned events. Sienna makes it manageable. Tell her to create a customer appreciation event, and she'll help you organize every aspect, from budget planning to execution strategies. When you aren't planning events, you are planning projects. This is where Alyssa keeps projects on track. When you ask about the critical path for a new showroom launch, she'll help you organize timelines and coordinate all the moving pieces. But what truly sets Auto Agentic apart is how our AI agents work together as a team, multiplying their effectiveness. For example, when you need cross-departmental expertise, just ask, Susan and Ben, create a sales training program that explains how finance works in our dealership. Together, they'll develop comprehensive training that blends Susan's sales expertise with Ben's financial insights. They'll explain how early sales decisions impact F&I outcomes, reveal how inventory management affects deal structures, and show how understanding the complete process helps close more deals. Collaborating with multiple agents is as simple as typing @ in your text box. Instantly, all your AI agents appear, ready to be tagged into any conversation. Need a deep dive into what zip codes should be included for your direct mail drop for your luxury vehicle dealership? Alex at Zoe brings your marketing and data experts together instantly. Think about it. 10 specialized AI agents are available today. Each one is learning, adapting, and expanding their capabilities. But this isn't just about having powerful tools that transform how you do business. It's about taking everything that makes your dealership great, your people, your processes, your potential, and elevating it to extraordinary levels. This is what sets Auto Agentic apart. We're not just another tech company. We're the most human AI company in automotive. We know that for many dealership staff, the idea of using AI can feel intimidating. Some are uncertain, some are overwhelmed, and many simply don't know where to begin. That's why our human team takes onboarding incredibly seriously. From day one, we work hand in hand with every dealership, at every level. We offer live onboarding sessions, hands-on walkthroughs, and ongoing support to ensure your staff doesn't just feel comfortable using AI, they feel confident using it every day. We run weekly webinars that keep your team up to speed with new features and smarter workflows. We maintain an ever-growing library of real dealership prompts, tools, and training videos on our website. And we're constantly updating that library to help your people get more out of the system as their comfort grows. Need something more personalized? No problem. We offer custom training sessions for individual rooftops and dealer groups because we know every store runs differently. Our AI agents aren't here to take anyone's place. They're here to bring out the best in your team, to support them, to strengthen them, and to help them do what they do even better. We believe the future of automotive retail belongs to those who can blend emotional intelligence and human creativity with the power of AI. That's why we've built technology that magnifies human intelligence, not replaces it. Because when you give great people the right tools, you don't just improve performance, you unlock potential. AI is a journey, and no one should be expected to figure it out alone. When you work with Auto Agentic, you don't just get cutting-edge AI agents. You get our team, real people, real support, and a shared commitment to making sure your team succeeds. Because this is about more than technology. It's about transformation with the human touch it deserves. Visit autoagentic.ai to learn more.